Hey everybody, welcome back. We're here to do another food review. This time we're back at my place doing it. There's no bugs here. There's no issues with other music in the background. We're here to do this review because it's a special one. It's a blizzard we're doing. We're gonna do the whole lineup that Dairy Queen has for fall. They've released a bunch of new blizzards, and this time we're doing, the Cinnamon Roll Centers blizzard. So I got that in a small. As you can tell, it's pretty melted. It's soft serve, right? I usually like to put in the freezer for a while to kind of get it nice and cooled, nice and chilled down before I can indulge in it. But it looks good. We're gonna dive in and see what this Cinnamon Roll Centers blizzard is all about. Don't forget to hit subscribe, share, and like. So I just got a little bit of that cinnamon roll centerpiece. But not enough to really explain what it was. Creamy. It's there's a lot of that cinnamon in it. At first, it kind of reminds me of a different type of blizzard. I'm trying to... It's quite good though. It's quite good. There's a centerpiece going right here. I don't know if you guys can see that well, but it's basically a nice big chunk of what would be cinnamon roll. It's not bad. It's a little bit, kind of reminds me of the texture of cookie dough. Oh, just spilt a little. There's $5 right there. But this blizzard did actually come to $4.96 for a small. I like how you don't have to go and pay a little extra for their featured blizzards, because those are the ones that are good to try, you know? Getting quite messy though. So I'm gonna give this a scale rating here on the taste of out of 10. This isn't one of my favorite blizzards. I'm trying to see how much do I like it. The cinnamon bun pieces are okay, but it's not like what I was kind of expecting. I was expecting bigger pieces. I was expecting more of the cinnamon flavor coming from those pieces. Most of the cinnamon flavor is coming from the ice cream, what I'm gathering. So they're basically kind of mixing in that cinnamon, and then I don't know how much of the cinnamon you're actually getting from the cinnamon roll pieces. It's good. It's good. I'm not gonna lie, but it's not one that I'm blown away by, one that I'd get it again, but it's definitely not one of my favorites. I'm gonna give it a 7.5 on this one for taste. 7.5. As far as value, ice cream, it's not bad. It doesn't give you that many types of ingredients, to be honest, to make it really good for the value. I think it's only 2 or 3 ingredients here, while some of the others can quite stack up those toppings and stuff. So I would probably say it's gonna be a little less on the value, probably about a 6 on the value. But nonetheless, it's still a pretty good treat, pretty good blizzard. I'm sure it's gonna taste better, or it would taste better if you had it completely frozen and stuff like that. But then again, it's all preference, right? Yeah, so I'm gonna give it a 6 on the value, but a 7.5 on the taste. Here's one final bite for everybody. Enjoy that, guys. Right before I do. Looks fantastic. Yeah, they're not the biggest pieces. But I like what they do with it. So that's it for a review, guys. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to comment what you want to see next. Subscribe, like, and I will see you guys on the next episode.